Well, hello, my name is Ralph and welcome back to the channel. It's my time, let's go. For those of you that are new to the channel, hit that subscribe button, hit that like button, leave me some comments. I enjoy all of that. And for those of you who have been supporting our channel, welcome back. Today we're going to jump in the truck and it's supposed to rain for the weekend and this is the only sunny day. So we're going to head out and go to look at a basket case that I'm potentially going to be able to buy. I think the deal is made, so I'm excited about it, and it is the true definition of a basket case. It's probably a project that many others wouldn't attempt, but I find it very intriguing and I'm going to give it a go. And I'm actually pretty excited about it. I like to be able to start with nothing and see what we can make out of it, and this is certainly that kind of case. It's I believe a 78.5 shovel head. I say a half because it's still running the ratchet top transmission and it hasn't been changed to the cowpie. So it probably is a real 78.5. There's quite a backstory behind this bike. As my understanding, been through fire. Now it's been sitting outside for a bunch of years. And it's probably a project that a lot of other people wouldn't touch. But for me, I find it intriguing, and before it's gone and lost, I'd like to bring it back to life in one form or another. I don't know whether I'm going to do a stock restoration on it. I've done a lot of that, and sometimes I just get the itch to do something a little different. But we'll wait till we get it here and we'll have a look at it. I know that the motor will have to be rebuilt. I know that virtually most of it will have to be rebuilt. But that's the challenge and that's the fun, and it gives me a reason to look ahead for a long-term project. So we'll be jumping in the truck and we'll be going for a drive and seeing what we can see. Take you down there, stick with us. We're gonna get in Lucy. She's all shined up and ready to go. She's had her yearly bath of coconut oil, and she looks cool. I love it when she's all shined up like that. Gives her some of the old look and the new look. But I don't think I could ever afford to paint it, and I don't think I would. I think I'll leave her just like she is, and when I'm gone, somebody else will have her because she's getting close to pushing 100 years here. So in 2036, it'll be 100 years. So somebody else will have her, I hope, and keep her running down the road. But today, we're going to get ready and go for a drive. I'm looking forward to going and having a look for this bike. Like I said, it's an interesting project, and I think it'll be cool. In any case, it's a beautiful day for a drive, so the family's going to go today instead of me taking off on the trike, and I'm looking forward to it. Let's go. What about you, Norman? You ready to go? Norman, you ready to go, buddy?
Smile for the camera, honey.
You ready? In any case, we're here going to give Lucy a bath and wanted to have a look at the way she looks before we apply the coconut oil to it. It not only preserves the old truck for years, it's not rusted or gotten any worse. And I think it's just because we put that coconut oil on it. So we'll have a quick look at it, and then we're going to wash it, clean it, and put the oil to her. Got to kind of get the roof up here. It's really rusty, but it's not. It's dirt. It's dirt rust, surface rust. But when we shine her up, it'll look a lot better. I put the old pop riveted patch on here one time, and just to sort of keep it old school. And I remember when we put it on, I thought, God, that's going to take a while, though it looks like it was on that truck for a long time. Well, you know what? It's been on that truck for a long time now. That's why it looks like that. That's the other old patch. It's been there forever. Look in the bed here, because this is where it really makes a difference. Close that up. Once this is all cleaned and sprayed out and washed in coconut oil, it's like a new bed in it. We get her fired up. So here we are now with refined coconut oil. You'll know it because it's the cheap stuff. Not expensive coconut oil. No way. Proceed to apply coconut oil. Oh yeah, Lucy. Oh yeah. Beauty of rust, don't cost you nothing. That way you get your ass in the video.
Oh! I thought you were going to tell me I was rubbing it the wrong direction or something.
Oh, she needed it so badly. So badly, she's loving it. She's sucking her up.
You don't think it looks like a rat rod now? Beautiful.
You know what
Beautiful.
I mean? It doesn't before when it's that light colored, dirty rust, you know, in your
Yeah.
fingers and stuff.
Yeah.
That's what I mean. The whole thing looks like that then. But this, rubbing it down, and you know that you're preserving it too.
Yep,
You know what I mean?
yep, she's looking good.
So we're down here at Spa Springs now, and I'm having a look at this bike, and I thought we'd have a look at it before he get it dragged up to my place. Figured it'd be a fun project and something to get at and start from nothing, and I really enjoy that sort of work, so let's have a little closer look. There you go. So she's been sitting wide open, as you can see there, with the pushrod tubes, and I expect everything's seized up pretty good. But she's all there. She's all one piece.
Comes with papers.
Huh?
And she comes with papers.
And she comes with papers. So that's a big thing down in this way. Like I said, I don't know what we're going to do, whether we're going to restore it. I'm not much for a restoration, but we'll see when we get to it what parts we use and what we don't use. She's a beauty, isn't it?
Oh, she's a beauty, honey. I'm so glad she didn't miss out on that.
It'll be a fun project. It'll be fun once you get at it. A little bit of spit shine, a little bit of paint, a little bit of powder coat, twist some wrenches, a little bit of love. Should be all good. But sometimes you got to start somewhere with something.
What's holding the back fender on the screwdriver? Look at that.
Fancy fender bolts.
Yeah. Custom made.
Custom made. $6,000 miles? I doubt it. Key switch works. So Tom says he's going to drag it up next week, and we'll get it to the house and we'll start tearing it apart. So stick with us as this project progresses along. It's not going to be done tomorrow, but it's going to give me something that I can work along with and have a good time doing. All right. Buddy?
Yeah.
You know where we are? Yeah. We're home now, aren't we? Good boy. Good boy. We're home now, aren't we? Hey?
Must be supper time.
Must be. Well, I just got a phone call and seems like Tom's on his way and bringing the bike up, so we're going to get her unloaded today and get her home here, which is good with me, and I'm feeling pretty good. It's just like Christmas, although I don't think the wife's really impressed, but it is what it is. So we'll have to check it out when he comes.
I said, here we are, waiting for the new baby to arrive.
She'll be here. Can't wait.
Yeah.
Can't wait.
Hello. Fine, thank you. Out to video the arrival of the new baby. Another new project.
She's a beauty.
Thanks, brother.
Thank you, Tom. Thank you. Thank you.
At least something's gonna happen. We're gonna set it there.
My biggest problem now is finding time to get out.
Well,
You want to get at it now, right?
you gotta
You
make
know what
time.
I mean?
You gotta make time.
Yeah. Yeah. That's exactly right.
Battery box and everything else is all gone. All the rubber's fucking melted. It just
Oh yeah. Yeah.
anything
Yeah, but it's got
that
the old
isn't
tank.
here, I didn't get with it.
Yeah. Not a big deal. Have a good day.
You too.
Enjoy yourself. Thanks. So there she is. She is what she is. And I'm really looking forward to this new project. I know it's going to take some time and some work, and but it's an old 74, and I'm stoked about that too, instead of an 80. It's all good. I'm very excited about it, and I'm hoping to get at it and stick with us. Someday we'll be out riding this. Not the weeds.
No, it's got more character.
The beauty. I don't know how much I'll use of it, but we'll see. Yeah, okay, great.
All right,
Thank you.
you're welcome.
So there she is. She's in her new home. She'll start out there. We'll get some time. We'll get at it, start stripping it, and see what we can make out of her. All right. Well, stick around to see how we make out with this 78. I'd like to put a little shout out to my friends down south, the hippie down at Chippy's Chopper Corner, and Slick at Slick Heads Custom Cycles. Also check out my buddy Gus down there at This Old Chopper. Us four have been friends from the beginning, and we're having a lot of fun associating back and forth and getting some laughs. So stick around, and now you see what we got, and what we got to work with is what we got. So be sure to follow us along with this new project. I'm going to be slipping it in between some other things, and as you can see, it's not going to be done overnight. It needs a lot of work. But for those of you that are interested to start with something, will be your classic basket case. It's about as much of a basket case as you can get to see what we can bring it up to be. So I appreciate all your support. I appreciate all you subs that are subbing up with me and watching my channel. So please do continue, and we hope to bring you good content that you'll enjoy as time goes on. All right.